Also getting more breaking news on the broadcast, and this is to do with the Calcutta High Court, as it today will be hearing the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital former principal Dr. Sandip Ghosh's protection from arrest appeal case. Now remember, Dr. Sandip Ghosh has been grilled by the Central Bureau of Investigation for the last 3 days, and he in fact has put an appeal before the Calcutta High Court demanding freedom from arrest. And that appeal is going to be taken up today by the Calcutta High Court. Kamalika has more details. Yes, Kamalika.
Today around 11:30 this hearing will come up. We know that last week he went to the High Court seeking protection, and also he has mentioned in the court that he is feeling insecure. That time the judge told him that he is a powerful person, he can get protection from the police, and if possible
Request you to stay on with us. In fact, one of the doctors who's been summoned by the police, Subarna Goswami, is with us on the broadcast. Subarna, thank you so much, doctor, for joining us, and very, very good morning to you. Summons by the Kolkata police to you spreading misinformation is the major charge, especially in the wake of this sensitive case. Your defense?
Good morning. Actually, the police is trying to gag all the whistleblowers, including me, whereas no misinformation was spreaded. Whereas only it was fact that the college authority tried to label it as a case of suicide first, and they tried to, cover it up by tampering the evidences. Then the autopsy report came up, and the family handed over to us the autopsy report. We just interpreted it, and there is every possibility of a gang rape followed by brutal murder of the lady doctor. And
but exactly that is the case, Dr. Goswami, where you are being accused of. A, that you have access to the autopsy report or the postmortem report. How has that happened? And the fact that you've gone on to mention that unfortunately the lady's body had the presence of 150 milligrams of semen and also a fractured pelvic bone that you speak about. All of this has been put on in the dock, and that is the exact point that has been questioned. How are you in possession of that document?
See, we went there as a representative of all the agitating doctors' organizations, and the family themselves shared the autopsy report with us to taking it to further, and they have handed over the autopsy report to us, and that is the source of the from where we received the autopsy report. Her father, the victim's father. We never disclose the identity of the victim. We only referred him either as Abhaya or Tilottama. And next point is that yes, their autopsy report has mentioned that a white, thick, viscid fluid in her endocervical canal that has been collected as specimen, and that weighs 151 gram, not ml, 151 gram. That is written in the autopsy. Police knows it very well. It will be tested in the lab. Lab report will come up, and it will be judged by the court. It is now being further investigated by the CBI, but I don't know why Kolkata police is harassing us by summoning. We'll see to it today. A huge number of doctors and other people, along with lawyers, will go with me to attend the summon, and let's see how they establish their complaints. And I have never said that there is fracture. The autopsy report mentioned that there is no fracture, right?
Okay. Dr. Goswami, whatever you're mentioning, when it comes to, and the case against revealing the identity of the victim is not against you. I believe it is against the BJP former MP Locket Chatterjee, but she too has been summoned. I'd like to understand that the Kolkata police has refuted all of these allegations which you are mentioning are being part of the autopsy report as baseless. They have harmful information that is going out in the public domain. What is your defense to that, sir?
See, our organization, I have whatever I have expressed, that is in my organizational capacity, and it is our collective opinion that I have expressed, and my organizations, they will defend me. They have already written to the police commissioner, They have All India Federation of Government Doctors Association. They have written to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister against this summon yesterday. Hope you have been served a copy of them also. So it was not me as a doctor or as a person. Our organization. It is our collective opinion statement, our organization that I have expressed in the media. That's it.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Goswami, for joining us. Dr. Subarna Goswami there, who's one of the summoned doctors by the Kolkata police. The charge against him is that he is in possession of the autopsy report, and he has put out certain information that was part of that autopsy report in public domain, and it is considered to be false news. At least that is what is the accusation that the police is looking at against him and one another doctor.